Vintage T9 electric hair cutting. For orders, please check video description. Vintage T9 cordless 0mm professional haircut clippers electric trimmer. Today I share with you two types of vintage T9 trimmer. Okay, this is the one and this is the another one. Electric hair clippers. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. This is the 78% discount and this one is the 85% discount. Okay, so if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Vintage T9 hair cutting machine, hair clipper professional cutter trimmer for men, and this one is vintage T9 cordless. This one is cordless hair cutting machine, trimmers for men. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description.